How to use my cap foils, compatible with Nespresso Vertuoline brewers. Make sure to use fresh, finely ground coffee for best results. Check the coarseness of a store-bought pod for comparison. Make sure the edges of the capsule are clean. Try the funnel and holder in our My Cap Sampler Pack for less mess when refilling pods. Now fill your pod with freshly ground coffee. Fill the pod to the brim, but do not pack the grinds. You can lightly tap it to even out the grinds in the pod. Then, remove the filler funnel. Peel and center a foil on your pod. Lightly press the foil around the edge of the capsule. Use the end of the brush in our sampler pack to gently seal the inside edge of the foil on the capsule. Be gentle so you don't puncture the foil. Press foil down around the edges. Make sure the barcode under the capsule is still showing. Place the capsule into the brewer and close. Brew and enjoy your perfect My Cap cup.